Edulastic is a great assessment tool that provides you formative as well as summative assessment data, and it's a free tool that you can create assessments from a database. You're obviously going to join for free. I've already got an account, so I'm going to log in. You're going to make sure that you use Google and connect your account. When you first open up Edulastic, notice one of the best things is that you can sync with Google Classroom. So if you're already using Google Classroom, you can link your students. The other great thing is that there is a public bank of questions. As you can see, over 200,000 questions. So I can take a look at my assessments here. I can opt to create a new assessment. I can start from scratch. I can choose from a library, which is over 4,800, or I can do what they call a SnapQuiz. So we're going to just choose to create an assessment. I'm going to pick my subject area, so I can choose grade level. So I'm going to stick with 6th grade. I can choose mathematics. I can choose my standards, and I can choose what types of questions I would like. I can also search by skills and keywords. Additionally, I can choose from a library by browsing all, and I can see what's been created. So I've currently got a draft assessment. It automatically saves it, but I can go in and search for others. So this is actually connecting me to other educators that I work with in my district, so I can see their assessments. So this is one of my teachers that I work with. What's great is that once you join and you put your linked schools, you can share common assessments. The third option is the SnapQuiz using a PDF. What's great about this is you can actually upload your assessment in PDF format and access their assessment data. So you can tag your PDF with the correct answers, and what was normally a printed out quiz becomes an interactive quiz, and you're going to get your data. As you can see, you get a wealth of reports. I can have assessment summaries, peer performance, question analysis, response frequency, performance by standards, and performance by students. And again, this is a great resource for you to get that formative as well as summative data.